How to change Android color theme. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to change the Android color theme, all you need to do is just scroll down from the app drawer and then tap on the settings of your device. As you do that, you'll be able to see the different options over here. So just scroll down and tap on the display option that comes below lock screen. So tap on display, and as you do that, here you can see there are two options. The one is the light mode, next is the dark mode. So the option that is currently being chosen is the light mode, but if I want to change it or the color theme, I need to change it. Then I'm going to tap on the dark mode, and as you tap on dark mode, the color theme of your Android has been changed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.